Hi everyone. If you don't hear me, please write in chat box. So I just start now. Okay. So guys, first of all, I introduce myself. Honestly, I'm not a 10 or 20 year experience in data science. I just share my knowledge. So I'm a Kaggle expert and machine learning engineer. Presently working on as a data science mentor as well as a MLAI consultant in Forest, Bangalore. So let's start. First of all, what is Kaggle and why Kaggle? Guys, Kaggle is a platform where can you learn real-time projects with the real-time data sets. Kaggle does not teach you total like a beginner how to program, how to code. But if you have already some idea about how to write a code, then you can teach yourself about a machine learning algorithm and by writing a code on Kaggle. Most of people know of like a Kaggle as a machine learning competition platform, but this is not true. It is more than just a competition platform. Kaggle is an ecosystem for sharing a data science. In the early days, the focus for Kaggle was more to the best machine learning competition platform. And as for my experience, I learned lots of from Kaggle. My interest is the NLP part, so I work on the mainly like NER parts, summarization part, and chatbot part. Next, like benefits of Kaggle. There are lots of benefits of Kaggle, guys. Like when you add in your resume, like you are a Kaggle expert and Kaggle master, then it's boost your resume, and it is very important for your career, guys. Okay, so Kaggle like us learning and sharing and work on the industry related projects as well as a research type projects and more. In Kaggle, you learn real time project, guys, and there are lots of like a data set available and it's totally free. Okay, so and Kaggle also provide a free GPU to work on the deep learning projects as well. So this is the there are many benefits of Kaggle, guys. So next, like how to start Kaggle, and this is the very important. Like who a beginner just start with the like where to start like notebook and competition direct jump into the competition part as well as discussion. There are lots of tabs. So how to start Kaggle? So first of all, you have the idea about one programming language. Pick one programming language. Start with the like a Python because Python is a general purpose programming language and you can use from end to end. First thing, pick a one programming language. Second, learn the basics of exploring data like a plotting, feature engineering part, data pre-processing, and etc. And this is the basic thing, guys. When you start working on any data set and any Kaggle projects. Third thing, like train your first machine learning model, and then last start with the Kaggle competition. I once again repeat, I first of all pick one programming language, start with Python. Second, learn the basics of EDA like feature engineering and data pre-processing, plotting, and more. Third thing, train your first machine learning model and then start with the Kaggle competition. I just show you there are lots of competition available in live. So I just show you. Suppose I search Kaggle. Presently, I work on the one NLP projects. I just see first of all my profile. This is my profile, and this is the Kaggle notebook. Presently, I lots of my notebook are private. You can see. Presently, I am working on this NLP with digester and EDA cleaning part, recommendation system, student performance, complete NLP tutorial, and all. Okay. So first of all, competition part. Recently, I complete one competition part. You can see this is my 55 rank and I'm a top 4% in real or not NLP big digester to its competition. And this is the Titanic machine learning competition, where my rank is at 16,836. Okay, so you have to start with the basics of competition parts. Like this is the competition part, and you can see this is the active competition, guys. Like a predict future sales, Titanic machine learning from register house price, and this is the which all are a live competition presently active. This is the closed competition. You can also work on these projects for your learning purpose. Okay, and this is the prize, guys. When this is active, this is the like a provide you a, when you win a competition, then it's provides a $55,000 money. Okay, this is the active part, and it's an active part competition. Okay, this is the data. Like you have to search anything, guys. Like data, like I just search feature engineering part, feature engineering. You can see there are lots of notebook available, 840 notebook available, 726 topics available, 105 data sets available, and 13 competition available in feature engineering part. You can see in competition part, the big data combined engineering, feature engineering 2017 and 2018, data science and data engineering 2020. These all are the feature engineering competition. Next, notebook part. These all are a notebook, guys, and you always learn a top of voted notebook. Like I just show you. Just open Kaggle. This is the notebook part. Like you always learn a top of voted kernel because it's define everything, guys, with step by step, like how to write a notebook. This is the very important, guys. So you always read the top of voted kernel and top of voted notebook. Okay. Next, how to use Kaggle. So if you are a beginner, then don't jump into the competition path. First of all, when you start, choose one programming language, learn the basics of EDA, train your first machine learning model, and then start with the competition part. Okay, and always start with the notebook parts. Like when you, like I just show you. Wait my cursor. Yes, this. Like you participate in the NLP or real or not NLP digester problem. Okay, so before you start the competition, you learn first of all the notebook and check the notebook top voted notebook, and first of all read this notebook. Okay, like how other people write a code this notebook. Okay, so you understand like how do I start this competition. This is the NLP part, and this people start with the basics, and everything is the step by steps. You can first of all read this notebook and then start work on the competition part. So you have the idea about like how to work on in this competition part. Okay, next thing, like if you are a student, then read every day 12 to 50 kernel. Understand the first of all the problem statement and write the 2 or 3 notebook in every week. You start with the 12 to 15 kernel in a day, guys, and write 2 to 3 notebook in a week. So you have the idea about first of all read the kernel 12 to 15 kernel in a day. Then you understand the like how other people work on the notebook part, and then work on the your own notebook part. Okay, so you have the idea about like how to write a code and how to participate in the competition part. And if you are professional, then you read the 8 to 10 notebook every day and write 2 to 3 notebook every week. Okay, next thing, when you read the another notebook, understand first every line of code. You have no idea this before asking another person. Search on Google and Stack Overflow. Like you are facing a problem for like how this code is work. So you just search on the Google without asking another person. Okay, like as example, you have hired an intern in any other company, and your like a senior data scientist or your manager told you, okay, this is the project and this is the procedure you can follow and complete within the 1 week, and you start working on this project and you are facing a problem. So you are not asking again and again for your senior data scientist and manager. So it's totally up to you how to work on this project. So you search on the Google, everything available on Google, everything available on Stack Overflow. So before asking another people and your senior manager or senior data scientist, first of all search on the Google, guys, and Stack Overflow. Every existing solution is available on the Google, every existing solution available on the Stack Overflow and Kaggle. So first of all search your own before asking to another person. Next thing, okay, first of all, everyone understand this? Please write in chat box. So, okay. No, Rahul. When you, okay, Rahul. So, like when you read another person kernel, then you have the idea about like how to another person how to write a code, and you always start with the step by step and always write in a proper manner. Like when another person who have not a programming background and who see your kernel and your notebook, who understand like how it could work and how you code. Okay, okay. So next thing, like how to write a Kaggle notebook, and this is the very important, guys, for your Kaggle journey. Like there are many people start with the Kaggle notebook and then jump into the Kaggle competition. Okay. So first of all, when you start working on the Kaggle notebook, choose any competition or any data set. I just show you. You choose first of all any competition. Sorry, any competition or any data set. I just show you first of all. Like you choose the house price regression technique. Okay, no, complex one, because you have the idea about house price prediction and Titanic data sets. So I just show you another one. Yes, tweet sentiment extraction. Presently, I'm working on this, and my rank is the like 71%. I just show you. You can see tweet sentiment and bug and vitals. So my present ranking is the 71. Okay, this is my accuracy percentage, 71%. I don't know why Kaggle is not rank on the top of me. So okay, so first of all, see, this is the project and competition part. First of all, you choose when you start working on a Kaggle notebook, choose any competition or any data set. Second thing, you have to choose first competition or data set. Next, understand the problem statement. Read every description file. First of all, read this description, read the evaluation description, read the timeline, price, and code requirements. Okay. First of all, read and understand the problem statement step by step. Then write some description every line of code. And before start working on the project, first of all, you have to read the another notebook. Then you have the idea about like how the another people work on this project. Okay, and then start working on your own project. And always, guys, always read on the top of voted kernel. Okay, like these are the top of voted kernel. So always start reading the notebook in top of voted kernel. Okay. Next part, like you choose the one competition. Second thing, understand the problem statement. Third thing, write some of the description every line of code when you writing a notebook. Fourth thing, work on the visualization part like outliers, null values, feature engineering, data pre-processing, and all. So you have the idea about how we proceed this competition. Okay. So these things, guys, I just show you some notebooks, some good, very good notebooks. So you have the idea about like how other people work on the projects and work on the notebook. I show you the top of voted notebook. Like you see, who is this? Mr. Known Nothing. I don't know who it is. First of all, he described about the competition. About this competition, like every like a description, you have to write first of all the description about the competition. Next thing, what he did, write the notebook about the notebook. Then he start with the programming part. First of all, when you start writing a notebook, write the description about the competition and problem, write the problem statement, then you will start with the work on the projects. Okay, this is the Abhishek Thakur, Forex Kaggle expert. First of all, he write the story about the projects. Okay, and then he start projects. So always when you start writing a project, first of all write in the problem statement description and then start writing a code. And this is the Paul Pandey. This is the also a grandmaster. And see this, first of all write the objective, then see write the understanding of evaluation matrix, and then he start working on the coding part. Okay, so this is the procedure. Like first of all, when you writing a code, choose one competition statement, read another kernel, then work on the your own notebook. Okay, so that's all about this, guys. One more thing for next. Okay, so first of all, you have the any questions, please write in the chat box. Okay, Rahul asked me how to start a competition part. Okay, so I just show you, Rahul. First of all, you choose the one competition part. Like I just choose predict future sales. Okay, first of all read the every description. Okay, then read the evaluation types. Okay, and then you understand the problem statement, right? Then you will start reading the another of voted notebook. So you have the idea about like how other people work on these projects. Okay, so I just show you this top of a voted notebook. Okay, like these people start with the first of all write the objective, table of the content, okay, and the competition overview, and then start working. And when you read the another notebook, understand the every line of code, guys. Okay, this is the library important. Then read the data sets. Okay, and then exploring a project. So when you reading another kernel, understand the every line of code and then work on the your own projects. So this is the best idea when you start working on the competition part. Okay, okay, so next Swati. Okay, Swati. Okay, I again repeat. So first of all, you choose when you start working on a Kaggle, first of all, choose one programming language. You have the idea about like how to write a Python code. Okay, then if basics of exploring data like data pre-processing, feature engineering, plotting, like tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn. You have the idea about this library and pandas. Okay, first of all, choose one programming language. Exploring the data like feature engineering, data pre-processing, and plotting, and more. Third thing, train your first machine learning model, and then start with the competition part, and then start with the notebook part. Okay, and you have facing any difficulty, this is the discussion section, you have to write this. Okay, this is the discussion section where can you write your own problem. You have to facing any types of problem, just write in the discussion form. Okay, and one more thing guys, Kaggle also offer a courses. There are 6 or 7 courses like Python, Intro to Machine Learning, Intermediate Machine Learning, Data Visualization, Pandas, and Feature Engineering. This is the very important part, guys. Feature engineering. When you start working in the data science competition, presently I am working on finishing the NLP, real or not NLP digester problem. You can see, and this takes lots of time, guys. And mainly in this competition, you work on the feature engineering part. Then your you can see my leaderboard where I can see this is the my score. Submission score is 1 and my improvement is 79%. Okay, so feature engineering part is the very important for the competition part. Okay, okay, yes, Swati, Kaggle course is Kaggle course is not a good or not a bad, but I will suggest you like a feature engineering and intermediate machine learning. This is the good course. You have to start working on this part. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Any questions? Okay. So next, I'm planning to start a project part. Our next agenda is a live project part. Like I assign you a one project every week. You have the 7 days, sorry, 5 days of time to complete this project. End-to-end project, like start with the basics of plotting, feature engineering, data pre-processing, and hyperparameter tuning last. Okay, so you have the 5 days of time you have to complete with your own, and Saturday or Sunday I just discuss the projects. Okay, so I am just planning these things. Okay, any question guys? Okay, Suman. Okay, Suman asked me, is it necessary to read every day 12 or 15 kernel? Rahul, if you are a student, then it's totally up to you. Like you read every day, minimum every day, like a 12 or 15 kernel, guys. Because you are a student, you're totally free. So you read every day 12 to 15 kernel. Okay, and then write your own kernel, 2 or 3 kernel every week. And this is a very good practice. Okay, understand, Suman? Okay. Any questions, guys? Okay, thank you, guys.